Hello, good day future leaders. Today we will talk about the story Si Bagong at Si Maching, or the title The Turtle and the Monkey.
Hello everyone, today we will be discussing about a classic Filipino fable entitled as Si Bagong at Si Maching, or The Turtle and the Monkey. This story is a classic Filipino fable that teaches us important lesson about cleverness and greed. Let's dive into this fascinating tale of Si Bagong at Si Maching.
One of the most interesting parts of the story is when Pagong the turtle and Maching decided to plant banana trees. Pagong cleverly chooses the roots while Maching uppercuts, wither and die. This scene beautifully highlights Pagong's cleverness and foresight.
This story is told from a third-person omniscient point of view. This means that the narrator knows all the thoughts and feelings of both Pagong and Maching. We can clearly see Maching greed and Pagong's cunning plans through the narrator's detailed description. This perspective allows to fully understand the motivation and emotion of both characters.
The omniscient point of view helps us delve deeper into characters' mind. For example, we see how Pagong feels satisfied and justified in outwitting Maching, who is left frustrated and regretful. This narrative style enhances our empathy towards Pagong and highlights the moral lesson about the consequences of greed. Personally, this made me appreciate the importance of cleverness and virtue of thinking ahead.
As a group, we found the story very satisfying. The just outcome where the clever, resourceful Pagong triumphs over the greedy Maching gives us with a strong sense of justice. The moral of the story is effectively conveyed, reminding us that intelligence and foresight often prevail over greed and impulsiveness.